Hello guys and welcome back to another video. On this one I'll be opening up this little wee boy up guys, which is from Nintendo. Yes, which I thought I should show a few of my past videos. You might have thought I'll leave out one of those videos up in a wee box thing. So I've opened a few things that I used my platinum points to get from Nintendo exclusive store, so I got two more things, so I need to open them up and show you them. So yeah, so let's open up this little bad boy up, and yes, let's just start this off. Okay. Okay. That's how I know it's from Nintendo, guys. So I need to take off my camera stand for sure. So as you can tell, first best massive swap for two little things. So So, the first one, it's just simple. I'm not trying to open it up, just because it's just a Zelda tree sign. It's, yeah, simple, but, yeah. This is, I think it lights up as well, does it? Maybe not. I thought it might light up in the dark as well. Maybe. I can't remember. Does it? No, it doesn't. So, my bad, I thought I was trying to put something else, to be fair. But it's just not interesting since it's the roost. So as you can tell, it's from Animal Crossing New Horizon. So yeah. So what is it? It's coasters. Yeah, so you get 4 coasters with it in this weekend. Plus Spaniel English should help. so it what's does to do in this clean with a damp cloth and wipe dry. Do not place in dishwasher. Toasters are heat resistant to 90 degrees, but they are not heat proof. Do not use them extreme hot or cold items. Take extra care using on polished surfaces. Did you know? These are neat. I do like it's a nice wee touch toasters, but I have seen I expected better for me. I don't know why. Or better quality, I would say. It's still nice. If you're a massive Animal Crossing, it's only like 700 points, and it is Zelda one or 600 platinum points, which like it only went like yeah, you pretty much can't play you can play 3 games to get points. Like, Super Mario 1, Animal Crossing Pocket, and 5 Emblem something mobile game, but I think with Super Mario you done on time platinum points a day, plus 50 if you win 3 races. So for 10 points you have to win 1 point. So anyway, but that's a nice sweet that's yeah. So I think that's probably going to my collection in a way. Most likely, yeah. Yeah, so I think I think that it comes in a wee tin as well, which you can keep them safe. Or do you use them in a way? Or yeah, I do like this, but same as with it's all sealed up. I know for a fun stuff, I'm to keep it sealed up for a later take. But unless you want to let me know in the comments if I should open it up on stream, let me know guys in the comments. I'll even do a wee mini shot of me open it up. But let me know. Yes, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys. I would like to thank my patrons for supporting me on Patreon, and if you would like to support me on Patreon, you are more than welcome to support me on there as well, guys. Oh.